Hey. So right after I posted a video showing this receiver and $10 ESC under it running this motor, not in it though, I upgraded it right after that. And since then I've added shocks because it didn't have quite enough distance. Lost clearance from all the extra weight. And then I went crazy and made a battery that'll essentially last for 24 hours probably. But this raises the CG too much, but it actually fits on there fine. Just like that. And tucks right under. Anyway, I'll do a little run now. Alright, here she is. So the minimum crawling speed is pretty slow. Not as slow as if you bought the Fury Tech one, which is definitely better than this. But hey, I am brushless, and it has been an improvement. Also, less top end. But anyways, so now though, just for curiosity's sake, I want to try this 1000 kV, so it'll probably go even slower, but it'd be nice to have more wheel speed and crawl slower. So I guess the only way to do that is just get an ESC, a real ESC instead of a $10 generic one. Anyway, here it is. It's pretty cool to watch it spin. High pitch whine. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.